Well, hello and welcome to Shama Prasad College in the Department of Mathematics. I am Professor Joydeep Jana, the head of the Department of Mathematics, and this is the first introductory class. We'll call it a class 0. Here, I would like to share certain things which will be important and which you will need in 3 years of your studies. So let's get into the business first. All right, switch over the screen. All right, this is the official website of Calcutta University. Sorry, of our college, and you must know this website. You must have seen this website, shamaprasadcollege.in. This is important for you because time to time we will be sharing certain notice, certain information, certain very urgent information with you through this part of the website. So I would request you to check this website at least once in 2 days so that you will be updated about the informations or what is happening or what is required or what you have to do in urgently, like there's an examination, like there is some notice for you, some holiday notice or some other event is going on, so like that. So that's our college official website, so check it regularly. Another thing is this is the Calcutta University official website. You will need only this part of the Calcutta University official website, that is the CBCS. CBCS stands for Credit Based Choice Based Credit System Undergraduate UG. So here you will find first thing which I am going to show you is this admission and examination regulations of semester wise 3-year BA BSc B Music Honors General System, and the syllabus of mathematics honors and mathematics general. This is the only part that you require in the official website. The other website which is more important for you is this website called the cuexam.net. cuexam.net. You will need to visit this website more often because there is something called, so there is a notice board here, and through this notice board university directly communicates with you without bypassing the college. They communicate with you regarding university examinations, university form fill up, university publication of result and other things through this notice board section. And there is another part which is very important part called the portal for college and students BABSC. BABSC is the only thing that is required for you, and if you click on here you will see a window like this. There are two things, CBCS and 1+1+1 system. That's the old system. You are not a student of old system, you are a student of CBCS system, choice based credit system. So let's click on this and you will see semester 1, semester 2 to up to semester 6. So let's get into semester 1. That's where you are. There will see certain tabs. This tab, form submission, is important for you. This is why I am showing it to you, because before every university examination, university will ask you to submit your application for examination. That means it's like you are applying to university for be present in the examination. On the basis of your application, university will issue admit card, and on the basis of that admit card you will be able to allowed in any examination in future. Okay, so before every examination there will be a form fill up, so that will be done through this form submission section. Here you have to input your registration number, which you will be getting soon once the registration process is over. So this is important, that is why I am showing it to you. All right, this is all about the websites that you must be knowing throughout your 3 years of studies. Now let's come to the curriculum and syllabus. So let me start with, as I have downloaded it from that CBCS UG thing. So this is the curriculum. You can I'll send it. I will share it with you. And this is a very long thing. It's a 28-page document, so you don't need to see the whole thing. If you see it, that's well and good. But I would rather ask you to concentrate on page number 9, which is required for you, and that tells you that's the semester-wise courses for BA BSc honor students, and that tells you what you have to study in every semester. So as you are in semester 1, so let's concentrate on semester 1 only. In semester 1 there are certain courses. The first thing that you will be taught is called the core courses. That's the honors paper. So there are 2 honors papers, core courses, CC1, core course 1 and core course 2. And once I get into the syllabus thing, you will see what is there in CC1 and what is there in CC2. The second thing is generic elective. Earlier it was called the past papers. Okay. Now while applying for admission or while filling up the registration form, you must have seen that with your honors paper there are 2 past papers. There are 2 elective papers. I guess you have computer science and physics. These are the 2 combination. This is one combination, and another combination that is computer science and electronics. I don't know how many of you have computer science electronics combination, but most of you must have the usual combination that students take is computer science and physics. So the 2 generic subjects are computer science and physics. So you have to study at least 2 papers of each subject. To be specific, that means you have to study at least 2 papers of computer science and at least 2 papers of physics or electronics in your course of studies from semester 1 to semester 4. So there are 4 options. You can see there are 4 generic elective slots. So you have to study 2 from every subject. So it's not like that you are studying 3 papers from one subject and 1 paper from the other subject. It can't be done. You have to study at least 2 from one subject and 2 from the other subject. So usually you must you can also clarify it from the college office that usually for mathematics honors, first semester and second semester you have to study computer science as your generic papers, and third and fourth is for physics or electronics. So in first semester definitely you have computer science as per your past papers, that's the GE1 paper. And the other thing that you have to study is AECC, that is called the Ability Enhancement Compulsory Course. That's more like a language paper. So there are 3 choices: Bengali, English and Hindi. So you must have chosen one from these 3 things. So that's your that enhances your ability of communicating with others. So communication ability enhancement course. So these are the 3 things that you have to study in semester 1. So let's not talk about semester 2, semester 3, semester 4. Just for the time being, let's don't talk about that. Only semester 1 thing. Well, let's come to honors papers, CC1 and CC2. So these honors papers are of 100 marks papers. CC1 is of 100 marks, CC2 is also of 100 marks. These 2 papers, this 100 marks is actually divided into 3 parts. One part is called the theory part, that is 65 marks, Another part is called the internal assessment, that is 10 marks. Another part is called the tutorial, that is 15 marks. And the last part is the attendance, 10 marks. So what are the what are the parts? Theory part 65, internal assessment 10, tutorial 15, attendance 10. So attendance 10 is, earlier it was like the more classes you attend, the more percentage you have of in the attendance, you will get the more numbers. But now in this pandemic situation, university will decide what to do with that. So 10 marks, either usually university is giving full 10 to you. So if the pandemic situation prevails, then you will get 10 in the attendance. So forget about attendance. Let's come to this theory part and other things. So this 65 marks theory is actually your theory part. There you have to answer questions, a broad question where you have to 5 marks question, 3 marks question, 2 marks question. There you have to actually write down the answers, and that's a usual form of examination. The internal assessment 10 marks is basically a multiple choice thing. There you will be given a multiple choice type questions, and you have to choose one of the choice, and that's for the 10 marks. And tutorial there are two options. That's solely depends on what we choose, is either through Viva or through another multiple choice question answer thing. Okay, this is for your core course honors thing, honors paper, mathematics papers, solely mathematics papers. And this generic elective, that's the computer science paper. Here, I guess you have a computer practical thing, and the computer science teacher, whoever is teaching you, will be able to tell you what is the marks distribution is like. And AECC, that's the language paper. Language paper, this part will be taught by the language departments like Bengali, English, or Hindi department, and they will tell you what is the language, what's the marks distribution. It's like 80-20, 80 for theory. Also, that is also a multiple choice thing, and 10 for internal assessment and 10 for attendance. And I think I hope that they will be able to tell you more about this. So that's all about semester one. Semester one is a much lighter thing. The syllabus is not that hard, and it's an easygoing year, easygoing semester for you. So, and of course, there are some, as you know, this is a choice-based credit system, CBCS. So there are credits for all these courses. So obviously, the honors courses will have greater credit points, and this generic quest, the past papers, the generic elective will have lesser credit points, and ACC will have even lesser credit points. So the more marks you will score in the honors paper, the more credit you will get, and the more your grade points will be increased. So concentrate on honors paper. The priority should be honors paper, then generic, then ACC, obviously. But you have to qualify in all the papers. You cannot fail in one paper. Oh, by the way, I must tell you, it's there in the earlier pages. It's written there that there is no fail thing in the semester system. If you fail to qualify semester 1, that doesn't mean that you won't be able to promote it to semester 2. If you even fail in one paper or two papers or all the papers, you will automatically be promoted to semester 2. You can very well study semester 2, and after semester 2 you will also be promoted to semester 3. Now look that when the end sem examination of semester 1 will occur, the end sem examination of semester 3 will also occur. So it's a 6-month semester course. So whenever semester 1 ends, semester 3 also ends. So at the end of semester 3, you will get a chance to clear the back papers of semester 1. Okay. So even if you have one or two failed papers or back papers in semester 1, don't worry, you will be automatically promoted to semester 2, and even after semester 2, if you fail some certain papers, you will be promoted to semester 3, and at the end of semester 3 you will get a chance to clear the semester 1 back papers also. The only trouble part is you have to study the semester 3 courses as well as the semester 1 courses also, the back papers. And similarly, after semester 4, you will get a chance to clear the semester 2 back papers. And after semester 5, you will get a chance to clear the back papers of semester 3 as well as semester 1. And after semester 6, you will get a chance to clear the back papers of semester even sems. And after semester 6, you will get 2 years to clear all the back papers. Okay, so that's very inspiring, but I would suggest don't fail in one paper, otherwise that will be the failed back papers will be piled up, and at some point you'll see that you're studying actually all the same together. So that's not really the desirable condition. So let's now come to the syllabus. All right. Okay, that's the syllabus. As I have shown that it is downloaded from that part only. I'll share it with you. And here you will see that core course 1, that's the honors paper 1, will be more like calculus syllabus, calculus, geometry and vector analysis. And core course 2, it's algebra, fully algebra. And let's don't overburden yourself with this DSC and SSC thing. These are for semester 3 onwards. So let's not look into that. Let's concentrate on semester 1 only. So core course 1 is, as I told you, that it's 65 plus 15 plus 20. 20 is divided into 10 plus 10. Okay. So, and the credit system is 5 for this 65 theory part and 1 for this tutorial part. 1 credit for the tutorial and 5 credit for 65 thing. Okay. All right. So this is a calculus syllabus. There are certain higher order derivatives of certain functions. It's basically it's a mechanical thing that you have to calculate certain derivatives, certain things, and electrolinear asymptote is more mechanical thing, more problem oriented thing. And geometry, certain things you have already seen, that rotation of axis, second degree equation, classification of conic, and then what is new is equation of plane and certain angles between two planes, and this three-dimensional geometry. This is, I guess, is something new for you, but I trust me, it's not that difficult. It's easy. It's more like two-dimensional geometry. And vector analysis is starts with triple product. It's a mixed type of product of a dot product and a cross product together, and then a vector equation, which is easy, and certain application of vector calculus, vector analysis in certain things in mechanics and trigonometry. So it's not that difficult, it's easy. And algebra, it starts with complex number and most of the things that you have seen already in your 10 plus 2 level. And this is a part that you, I guess, you haven't seen in your 10 plus 2 level. This is something that you have to learn. Not that difficult. It's mapping, basically functions. And the unit 3 is matrices, derivatives, and this is, you have seen, you have really mastered the matrix thing in your 10 plus 2 level. So don't worry, the syllabus is not that heavy. And the books, so as already Professor Mizanur Rahman already communicated with you that he will be teaching you this CC1, the core course 1 thing, the whole core course 1, and I'll be teaching you the core course 2. So for core course 2, I would suggest you the most common book of S.K. Mapa, Algebra by S.K. Mapa. There you will find all the things, and certain other books are there. I will also share with you certain PDF files of some books and the notes and the class lecture notes and other materials with you, so that you will not be in trouble of getting study materials, as you will not be able to access the library. So I will try to share more and more study materials with you. All right, so that's all for today, and so in new year we will start the courses, and hopefully uh, we will be finishing the course in due time. Thank you, and that's all for today.